potential leaders with the principles that will enhance excellence in public leadership for economic, social, and political transformation of material conditions in Nigeria. It is with a sense of responsibility that I address you on a matter of utmost importance to our great nation, Nigeria. We are here to discuss the recent appointment of Mr. Ola Olukoyede as the chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, by our dear President and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Asiwaju Ola Olukoyede, GCFR. This appointment, while marking a historic moment as the first Southerner to head the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission in over 2 decades, also raises some fundamental concerns that we as an organization cannot ignore. We commend Mr. President, however, for his commitment to united Nigeria by appointing the first Southerner as the EFCC chairman in more than 2 decades. However, we must emphasize that the boundary of southern Nigeria extends to south-south and southeast regions. And this distinction is vital in understanding the significance of this appointment. We believe that the EFCC is the engine room for rebuilding the better Nigeria of our dreams for future generations. Appointing Mr. Ola Olukoyede as its executive chairman sends a yellow alert that signals potential challenges ahead. Therefore, on behalf of the new generation Nigerians and future leaders of our country, we categorically reject the appointment of Mr. Ola Olukoyede as the executive chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission and call for its immediate withdrawal. If the President's intention is to ensure the position goes to South, we humbly urge him to consider other highly qualified individuals from the South who have dedicated years of service to the Commission. Appointing one of these distinguished individuals will not only adhere to the EFCC's Act stipulations, but also be a testament to the President's commitment to upholding the values of transparency, accountability, and anti-corruption. It is important to note that Mr. Olukoyede has corruption baggage. Having been once indicted and suspended alongside the former acting chairman of the EFCC in the person of Mr. Ibrahim Magu. Additionally, Mr. Olukoyede has not met the 15-year statutory requirements to be appointed as Economic and Financial Crimes Commission chairman. The relevant sections of the EFCC Act regarding the membership of the Commission are as follows, and I quote, Section 2, subsection 1 says, the Commission shall consist of the following members. A chairman, who shall be the chief executive and accounting officer of the Commission. 2, be a serving or retired member of any government security or law enforcement agency. Please, I want to put emphasis here. Be a serving or retired member of any government security or law enforcement agency, not below the rank of assistant commissioner of police or equivalent. And 3, possess not less than 15 years public experience. For the benefit